worries,
So
that's fine.
I, ah,
Yeah,
I'll
yeah,
make sure that the weekend I'll just clear out all the backlog.
no problem, that's fine.
The 2 days is
Okay, which is called the requisition. Okay, job requisition. Now, what is a job requisition, guys? I have told you that in order to create a job requisition, we need to have a compensation package. Okay. Now, the job requisition is something like, it's a kind of identity that we are trying to assign it, or we are trying to link it in order to create a position. In case, if you guys remember, we have created a position in order to hire somebody. Okay, now we can do the same thing, okay, with the help of job requisition. Suppose we have already created a position and it's been already approved by the hiring manager. In that case, we can directly go ahead and click the job requisition. Okay, and there is an option of with position or without position. You can select the without position. In that case, you will be able to create the job requisition along with the position itself. Now, how that is done, I will probably show you. Okay, so we have created a compensation package for the IT software engineer. Now we need to have a job profile, guys. Okay, in order to create a job requisition. So my next task is create job profile. Okay, now what is the job profile that I want to create? The job profile that I want to create is for IT software engineer. Okay, because this is the one that we want to create the job requisition for. Okay, we need to create all these things, job family as well as the group, right? So no problem, we'll create it. So everyone knows how to create the job family, right? So we will just select the job family. Okay, I'll probably put a very backdated date. Okay, 2nd of February. Job family name is like software engineer. Okay, it has to be IT executive. Okay, I'll put like JLMC. In the family group, we have not created any group over here, so I'll just leave that as blank. We have not created any profile also, so I'll just leave that as blank. What is this? This is the job family. Okay, now I'll probably select job family group. Okay, and I will select 2nd of February. Click OK. Job family name that I want to put as okay. It has to, you can put anything, but I'm just putting it as IT as of now. Okay, ITJLMC. And what is the family that we have? We have this. Okay, so I'll just try to link this. Job family group. Okay, now I'll click on to OK. Now what is the next thing that I would like to create? I would like to create a job profile. Job profile, I'll put again the 2nd of February. Okay, and I'll try to create a profile for IT software engineer. Okay, so I'll just mention it as IT software engineer in bracket JLMC. Now the family is this one. So this, in the job description, they will be asking you about what exactly do you want. I'll try to use AI. Let me just check. Yeah. So see, we can create that is software engineer JLMC company. Again, we just make a change. JLMC Private Limited. Okay. Uh, yeah. So I have put a job description. Select the skills that you want. Okay. Maybe .NET, critical thinking, Java, DevOps. That's it. Okay. Skills and requirement. I require probably everything. Okay. So I'll just click on to expert. Expert. Okay, now here comes the job category. So job category, I have to select which one. I'll select non-sales labor. Okay, so let me just check in case if it belongs to non-sales labor or not. Who do not workers who do not directly sell goods or services, but who support other service aspects of the business such as HR, marketing, product management, etc. We'll see the other option as well, guys. Okay, in case if it matches workers such as accountant, supervisor, not security guards. No, not this. Indirect labor is not the one. Direct labor. We'll see the related action. No, not this. Okay, so non-sales labor is something which matches the requirement. Okay, so we'll select non-sales labor. Management level. Um, I see. Job level. Job level. I don't think we will be able to find the G6. See, let me just check. JLMC. I don't know. I'm just trying. Okay. So I'll select the one which we want to. Probably I'll select level 4. Okay. Job classification. There is no classification as such because difficulty to fill. Probably I'll just mention it as easy. Restrict to country. Since this is for India, so I'll put it as India as of now. Okay. Compensation grade and grade profile. Now you can mention here whatever grade and grade profile that you have created. Okay, so this is the grade that you have created, G6 JLMC. So you can put the grade over here. uh, okay, maybe the effective dates doesn't match, guys. Okay, so let me just check if I put the effective date. What was the one which we have put it for? No, I have to put either yesterday's date. Now in this case I'll just try to see. Yeah, it has come. Did you understand why I was not able to view that? I hope you guys understood, right? Why I was not able to view that, because the grade that I have created, it was effective mostly from yesterday. Okay, so in case if I chose the job profile effective date as 2nd of February, it will not be visible. Okay, pay rates again I will leave that as blank. Exemption again I will leave that as blank. There is no exemption. Country exemption. So I'll just click on to submit and I'll quickly check if I have made a note of the job profile then I want to create. No, I have not made a note. So I'll just select this and I'll make a note of the job profile that I have created. Okay, I'll click on to submit. I'll just view the details. It's showing as process successfully completed. So that means the job profile has been created. Okay. Now, what is the next thing that I want to create? I want to create a job requisition. Okay. Now, this task is create job requisition. Okay. Now, guys, see, this will ask you for the supervisory organization that we have created. Okay. So, what is the supervisor where we would like to hire this guy. Okay, for which organization. Now I'll just see in case if we have a IT division in JLMC. In case if not, we can select it. We can assign it to the parent or the superior organization one. Okay, so I'll just select the JLMC supervisory organization. We have created JLMC IT department. We have created. Okay, so I can create a requisition over here. Okay, so see, we have created HR, IT, and sales. Probably I would like to hire this software engineer into the IT department. Okay, so in the staffing option, our job requisition will be created. So in the supervisory organization, I will which one I'll choose? JLMC IT. Okay, let's see if it comes. It has come up. Okay, so we haven't created any position for this, so we will just select this first option, that is create new position. Okay, worker type has to be an employee, and I'll click on to OK. Okay, now what is the reason for creating a requisition? That you have to mention it. Okay, so maybe it is a new position previously approved. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, so if it is for a new position, then we have to fill the dates. Recruiting start date. Okay, so I'll just choose a backdated date. Target hire date. Again, I'll choose a hire date also one day before. Okay, now there is no referral plan because I have chosen the option as the new position. Job posting title, they will ask you for like which title that you want to post it. I would like to post it for IT software engineer JLMC, but you have to differentiate it, okay, whether it's the job profile or the job requisition. So I'll just put it as job rec. Okay, you again, I'm saying guys, the naming conventions, I'm just mentioning it for our convenience. Okay, it's need not has to be 100% perfect. You have to follow the naming convention that matches the requirement. So justification means what is the reason that you are creating this position. Okay, it's a new project. Yeah, now they will ask you for the job profile. Now what is the job profile that we will select? This one. Okay, now see, since I have selected the job profile, everything has come up. Okay, you have to select all the things. Worker subtype is like for by country. Okay, so it has to be for which country? It has to be for India. Okay, so it has to be for regular employee. Now time type, again it has to be full time. Okay, so you have to fill all these details in order to create a requisition. Primary location, let me see if I can find India. It is there. Okay, primary job posting location is the same, India. Okay, so additional locations, workly scheduled weekly hours, again 40 is something which is mapped with India as well. Okay, so I'll just click on to next. Skills they're asking, so this is something which we have already filled in the job profile. Now they're asking you for qualification. Okay, in case if you want to fill the qualification, you can do that. Organizations, it has got stuck. Okay, see, organizations, whatever organization is mapped with the supervisory organization, it has automatically populated. Okay, so the company cost center we have already mapped with the supervisory organization, so that's the reason we haven't attached documents. I'm not adding anything. Compensation is the one where I'm interested in. Okay, so I'm basically trying to put a package that we have created. Total compensation package, not here. Okay. So guys, if you remember, we have assigned the compensation grade as well to the profile. Okay. And we have linked the profile with the compensation grade. So that is the reason that, like, we see, package is empty. Okay, if you want, you can assign the compensation package that you have created. Okay, now what is the compensation package? This one, India IT SC JLMC. Let us see if we can find it. Okay, it is there. So I'll just click on to OK, and our compensation package, see, 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs is the pay range that we have created, and whatever rules and the compensation plans that we have created, it's showing here. Okay, it's a job requisition configuration, and I'll click on to submit. Now again, this is a business process, okay, like the hire. So you have to follow the steps which is mentioned too. Okay, so the next task is, see, requisition compensation change IT software. It's a part of the job requisition process. So you have to assign it to somebody whose access you have. Okay, so I have just assigned it to Logan. Click on to OK. See, the task is done, but the event is not done. Okay, so that means you have to go to Logan's mailbox. See, there is a next business process which is attached with the job requisition. That is the review requisition compensation change. Okay, now I'll just click on to approve. Now see, event approved, success. Okay, so that means you have successfully created the job requisition. Now where should I go? I should go to JLMC IT department. Okay, let me see if I am able to view the job requisition or not. If I go to staffing option, it shows that positions with open job requisition. Okay, so this is the job requisition that we have created, and this is the family, this is the job profile. You can create a job requisition even if you have not created a position.